A lot of you have been asking me about this new ChatGPT feature, the create image function, and here's where you can find it on your ChatGPT, first of all. And it's very easy, okay? And I've tested it for you already. So I have also written a detailed article, which you can find on my blog. To learn more about this feature. Sincerely, it's really, really cool because you can now upload your photo and ask ChatGPT to turn it into a 3D cartoon, an anime, or even something as cool as Tom and Jerry style. It's crazy, right? Okay, so let me just quickly show you exactly how I did mine. First, I uploaded my photo. All I just needed to do was drag and drop. Super easy. Then I used this simple prompt: create a 3D animated portrait in a stylized cinematic animation style reminiscent of Pixar with a touch of DreamWorks charm. So this is a combination of styles. The subject should closely resemble my reference photo, which I had actually uploaded, wearing sleek glasses and smiling. So after a minute or two, boom, the masterpiece dropped that you see right here. So that's how I created my own photo. So tell me, is this not amazing? I mean, the glasses, my beautiful smile, everything looks like it came straight out of a Pixar movie. Those Encanto, Coco, and Moana kind of vibes. Okay, so now it's your turn. So let's create one for you. So all you need to do is click on upload a photo, or you just drag and drop a photo. In our case now, let's assume you are our great granddaddy Ranganathan. So I want to turn our great granddaddy Ranganathan's photo into an AI image or a cartoon. Okay, so all I just need to do is drag it now, and then I'll use a creative prompt like the one you see on the screen, like just as simple as turn this photo into a Studio Ghibli style character with a magical library background. And just give it a second. Not a second, I mean, give it 1 to 2 minutes. You see it processing, okay? And so voila, so our image is here. So you can see the Ghibli style, and you can see the difference in the previous one I did with the Pixar animation style. Okay, so why don't you go ahead to try it out and drop your results for me under this post? I want to see what you all create, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you want more of tips like this. Thank you very much, and bye.